Good morning, my name is Mike Rawlinson and I'm your presenter today to walk through the key areas of user experience and what this means for SAP customers. During this WebEx I will focus on explaining how the SAP user experience strategy of New, Renew and Enable delivers state-of-the-art consumer-grade user experiences across the SAP product range, as well as how Cyber uses its user-centric design and delivery approach to bridge the gap between business and IT, to deliver user experience solutions that meet the end user and the business needs. I will finish off with a demo of a Fiori-style application that we are building for one of our customers. We show how complex business processes and busy ERP screens are delivered in a beautiful user experience, focused on the needs of the user operating within their business role. Before I start, I would like to briefly give you a few facts regarding Cyber. We are a global organisation with our headquarters in Denver, US, operating from 70 offices across 14 countries, provides the international and local presence to deliver projects of all sizes and complexities. With over 6,500 employees globally, 1,400 of these are dedicated SAP consultants. Within the UK, we have our SAP Centre of Excellence located in the Midlands, and we operate SAP Global Solution Centres around the world to provide that truly global reach. From glancing at the slide, you can see we have many SAP accreditations and skill sets covering all SAP solutions across many industries. As an SAP service provider, we have all the skills required to implement, support and operate SAP in a truly collaborative and innovative manner. So now let's step into the world is changing, how the SAP UX actually applies and what challenges do present the business. I've been in SAP now for 16 years and I've seen many changes over that time. I started just as R3, the client-server architecture, was introduced, so missed the mainframe R2 user interface. Moving from the R2 mainframe, which was a green screen based technology or architecture, to R3 client-server architecture, which delivered the first graphical user interface for the business software. This was a major change for industry, businesses, employees and developers in that day, but since then the SAP GUI has been unchanged until now. The most notable change for me is happening right now. It is literally a quantum, if not paradigm shift, in how we engage with business software. Today we interact with software using smart devices such as tablets, phablets and phones, but what next? How we interact with the software, whether it's been gaming, social or business software, will continue to evolve. Tablets today, Google Glasses tomorrow, who knows beyond this point. The point is, innovation and evolution of technology is truly pushing this paradigm shift in how we interact with software. So today we are just going mobile. We are in a changing world, I think we all agree on that. Consumer-grade applications are now being demanded by business users. It's no longer acceptable to be tied to your desk. Moving between offices and meetings is demanded. Employees and customers want new ways of working. They have cool devices of their own and want to access business content with them on any device, anywhere. So bring your own device will become more popular. For the first time, mobile devices, mobile connectivity, mobile security, business software and data sources are all capable of combining to deliver a truly rich user experience. So this is a quantum shift in user experience, but how do we respond to create the user experience that delights the end user, increases user adoption of solutions, optimizes and simplifies business processes so that employees, customers and businesses achieve great benefits? Well, fortunately SAP is at the forefront of delivering solutions to meet these growing expectations and demand. So what are the drivers for change? Well, in our personal life we experience superior user experiences, and this puts the spotlight on complex business processes. We just don't want to use them that way. Consumers and employees are driving this change, demanding a much better user experience. The introduction of smart devices has allowed new user interfaces to be developed and new ways of working. So what does this mean for SAP and its customers? Well, the status quo is not enough. We need to do something, and SAP are delivering innovative user experience solutions to meet this challenge. Simplification everywhere is a key theme. No longer are complex business processes acceptable. Real-time, contextual, role-based, personalised experiences, consuming business content and other relevant content to enrich the user's experience and ability to perform their role more effectively. It means we have to change. We have to embrace user experience as a key part of our business strategy moving forward. So on the top left-hand side of the slide, you can see the SAP Design Innovation, which consists of human values, of usability and desirability, of business viability, is it viable from a business point of view, and technology, is it feasible? So these three areas combined together really drive design innovation in this area. So a great user experience has to deliver what? Well, it has to deliver gains in productivity, increase in user adoption, reduction in errors, reduction in training costs. When the SAP user experience is right, it's intuitive. If it's intuitive, the training is far less relevant. Then we know we've got it right. SAP can achieve this through their vision and mission statements for user experience. Their vision, to provide the leading user experience for business applications. Their mission, deliver attractive applications that make people successful at work.